Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use data flow. Data flow lets you efficiently move and transform information, making complex data integration much simpler. It helps you visually orchestrate your processes, connecting diverse sources like databases or cloud storage to their intended destinations. This powerful tool ensures your crucial data is always exactly where it needs to be, in the right format, ready for analysis. To start, first open the Data Flow Designer and select the Add Source option. You will find over 75 pre-built connectors for various databases, cloud services, and applications. Carefully input your connection details, like server name and authentication credentials. Always perform a test connection afterward. This step ensures your data flow can reliably access the information it needs, preventing future errors. Once your source is connected, begin transforming the data using a drag-and-drop interface. You can filter out unwanted rows, perhaps keeping only transactions above $20, or join two datasets based on a common key. Aggregate sales figures by region, for example. Always preview the data after each transformation step. This immediate feedback helps ensure your logic is correct and the output meets your precise requirements. After transforming your data, configure your flow for deployment. You can schedule it to run every 2 hours or trigger it based on a new file arrival. Once deployed, closely monitor its performance and execution logs. If an error occurs, the detailed logs will help you pinpoint the issue quickly, perhaps a connection failure or a data type mismatch. Regular monitoring ensures reliable, uninterrupted data processing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.